Hi guys, it's Simon C. Welcome to this new AI radar. Today I'm gonna talk about drug development with artificial intelligence, common sense of artificial intelligence, UK's AI startups fundings after Brexit. An article on VentureBeat reports that BenchSci offers an antibody selection service that employs machine learning to select antibodies in as little as 30 seconds versus the 12 weeks antibody selection typically takes, thanks to specifically image recognition technology that extracts antibody specifications from published experiments. BenchSci claims it reduces consumable costs by up to $3 million per year by cutting down on inappropriate antibodies with features that support search by protein targets and filtering by technique and 16 other experimental variables. BenchSci's AI system draws on real-world experiment data from 10 million scientific publications and then applies bioinformatics and medical ontologies to link antibodies to use cases while providing access to catalog data of more than 7.7 million products from 231 vendors. A translation by Jeff Ding of China AI. About new drugs. NeoGT reference the notion that AI can increase the success rate of A. Finding whether existing treatments could have a therapeutic effect, and B. Developing new drugs. Impossible to judge effectiveness at the moment, as developing a vaccine could take more than a year. Professor Authors comments in a Guardian article about the missed opportunity in response to SARS almost 20 years ago. What's so tragic is that once SARS was gone, the investor enthusiasm for a SARS vaccine was zero. If the global health community had followed through and produced and stockpiled a vaccine, something might have been ready to go now. An article on nationalinterest.org about the artificial intelligence race that claims that the AI race is an arms race indeed. In a world in which two equivalent superpowers are in conflict, USA and China, the one with the slightly worse AI loses every battle. Right now, many readers may find this fantastical, but consider AI like the internet in scale of disruptive change, only this time in the exclusive hands of a single dominant power. A solution for how the artificial intelligence arms race can be safely managed is not yet apparent. Right now, the United States must place artificial intelligence at the absolute core of national achievement, or surrender global primacy to China. The choice truly is died binary. The US is freaking out. An article by Technology Review about artificial intelligence that still doesn't have the common sense to understand human language. Natural language processing has taken great strides recently, but how much does AI really understand of what it reads? Researchers from the Allen Institute of AI created a significantly large dataset dubbed Vino Grande with 44,000 of the same types of problems. They found that the same models now only perform between 59.4% and 79.1%. By contrast, humans still reached a 94% accuracy, meaning a high score on the regional Winograd test is likely inflated. The Wall Street Journal says the UK AI sector has produced leaders such as DeepMind, now a subsidiary of Alphabet Inc. It is still ramping up. UK artificial intelligence startups received about $3.2 billion in venture capital funding in 2019, an increase of 23% from $2.6 billion in 2018, according to a study released this month. More than 40% of employers said it had become more difficult to fill open job vacancies over the past year, with just 5% saying it was not an issue, according to a report by the Chartered Institute of Personal Development. Okay guys, it's all for today. See you next time with AI Radar. Bye!